If you lead a team, manage a business, or drive results for a living, you already know your well-being affects everything. When you're balanced, your business flows. When you're out of alignment, things break down, including your health. Let me tell you a story about what's possible when you support the part of your body that most people never even think to heal. I had a patient years ago, a regional manager for a major pharmaceutical company. On paper, she had it made, but underneath, she was barely holding it together. She was on insulin for diabetes, taking sleep meds, antidepressants, anti-anxiety medications, using cortisone and thyroid hormones, exercising obsessively and dieting severely just to maintain her weight, not detoxing or digesting well, losing hair, constantly sick, chronically stressed, and she'd never had a menstrual cycle. She did have something called pan-hypopituitaryism, which meant her brain wasn't producing the hormones needed to run her endocrine system. I started by transitioning her to natural therapies, bioidentical hormones, botanicals, homeopathics, and she started feeling better, but not well. It was still a complicated stack of support, and she was still dependent on external inputs. Then I said, what if we could wake up your hypothalamic-pituitary axis and let your body run the show again? She agreed to try Genesis Gold, my nutraceutical blend designed to support the hypothalamus directly. And that's when everything changed. Over the next 18 months, she weaned off all of her hormones, thyroid, adrenal, even insulin. Her digestion normalized. Her anxiety and depression lifted, no meds required. Her energy returned, and for the first time in her life, she started having natural menstrual cycles. By age 43, this woman, who had been told she was infertile her entire life, gave birth to a healthy baby boy. Her regional sales, they boomed. Her leadership, clear, calm, magnetic. She finally found work-life balance, not by pushing harder, but by supporting herself at the root. And here's the bigger picture. You don't have to be that extreme of a case to benefit from hypothalamic support. Most leaders, most high performers are already on the edge. We're overstimulated, undernourished, battling environmental toxins, and genetically mismatched to the nutrients in our soil and food. Even with the best organic diet and lifestyle, most of us can't get the full range of phytonutrients our hypothalamus needs to regulate our hormones, metabolism, mood, and energy. That's why I created Genesis Gold, with ingredients sourced from around the world to match the genetic diversity of the modern human. It's not just about feeling good. It's about reclaiming who you really are before the stress, the exhaustion, and the hormones got in the way. If you're a leader who wants to show up with clarity, calm, and energy without sacrificing your health or your intuition, it's time to support your hypothalamus. That's what I teach you to do in my free hormone reboot training. Click the link below this video to get started. Because when your system is aligned, your business flows. And when you're operating from balance, you become unshakable.